Have you ever noticed that AI chatbots all seem to sound the same? Whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, they often fall into the exact same linguistic traps. There is a specific rhythmic pattern that dominates AI-generated text today. It's a structure that linguists call the contrastive pivot. You've seen it everywhere. It's not just about efficiency, it's about empowerment. Or, it's not just a tool, it's a revolution. Notice the not just X, it's Y shape. This specific construction has become the hallmark of the modern chatbot. And the data shows this isn't just a hunch, it's a massive explosion in usage. In 2023, Fortune 500 company filings contained approximately 50 instances of this phrasing. But by 2025, that number skyrocketed to over 200 instances. That is a fourfold increase in just 2 years as AI tools went mainstream. Corporate language is converging on a single AI-prescribed rhythm. Why does this happen? It's a phenomenon known as model convergence. Despite coming from different companies, these models are trained on similar internet data. They are optimized for clarity and engagement, leading them to the same safe structures. When every model tries to be the most helpful, they all start to sound like the same average. It's a linguistic gravity well that pulls all AI writing toward a single point. Pattern 1 is the contrastive pivot we just saw. Not just X, it's Y. This structure is designed to sound profound, but it often lacks actual substance. AI uses it to bridge two ideas with an unearned sense of authority. Look for sentences that try to sound epic by simply negating one thing for another. If the sentence has that tidy gold/amber balance, it's likely machine-made. Pattern 2 is symmetrical tidiness. AI hates the messiness of human thought. Machine writing is perfectly balanced, like a scale with equal weights on both sides. Human writing is organic. It has uneven rhythms, fragments, and sudden shifts. AI sentences are like pruned gardens. Human sentences are like wild forests. If it feels too clean to be true, it probably wasn't written by a human. Pattern 3 is the absence of the specific detail. AI loves generalities. A chatbot will tell you it was a beautiful day. A human will mention the smell of rain. Look for the magnifying glass. Do you see concrete dates, names, or textures? AI uses words like vibrant, tapestry, and testament to hide a lack of facts. Humanity lives in the specific. AI lives in the average. Why does this matter? Because AI writing is spreading everywhere. It's in our documents, our news feeds, and our professional emails. As we lose the ability to spot AI, we risk losing the value of human perspective. Understanding these patterns is the first step in reclaiming our voice. So remember, look for the not X but Y pivot, the perfect symmetry, and the lack of detail. Being aware of the machine's rhythm helps you stand out in an automated world. This is Aurelio AI, where we break down the tech shaping our future. Subscribe for new AI breakdowns weekly and join the conversation below.